Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to track changes in Google Docs step by step. Tracking changes is super useful for collaboration and document reviews. First, open the Google Docs file you want to work on and make sure you're logged into the right account. By default, Google Docs uses editing mode, but to track changes, you need suggesting mode. Click the mode dropdown in the top right corner and select suggesting. Now, every edit you make appears as a tracked suggestion. Start typing or deleting text, and you'll see suggestion boxes appear. Each one shows who made the change and when. To accept a change, click the check mark. To reject it, click the X icon. You can also add comments to explain changes by highlighting text and choosing comment. When multiple people collaborate, each person's changes are color-coded, making reviews easier. After everything is approved, switch back to editing mode to apply changes directly. And yeah, that's how to track changes in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.